Yo, it's your boy RV for Skillful Solutions. Back at you with another great video from Builder Raw. Today we're gonna be talking about the MailingBoss email marketing system that's already built in Builder Raw, right? It says MailingBoss unlocks the power of connected email marketing. Send stunning emails, trigger intricate automations, and connect with your audience at every stage, all in one place, all in this one great platform, which is Builder. The one great platform, which is Builder, right? So let's scroll down a little bit here. Truly connect the email marketing. Confirm your email. Once you confirm your email, you get your downloads and everything. Create and send sophisticated email automations. Hey, they get one email, they get the next email, get the upsell, downsells in your email and everything. You know what I'm saying? Seamless cross-channel connectivity. You know what I'm saying? Capture leads with fully customizable email forms. Last video, I think I showed y'all how to make a funnel, how to start, and how you create that form. If you didn't go back to that, watch that video if you didn't see that video. Schedule automated emails at any time. Stay in the loop. All in one. Builder all in one. Live campaign. Statistics. Level up email marketing. Get MailingBoss today. Let's go in and just see what the plan, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at the plan. $17. If you just go with the lowest plan to get your website and everything like that, it comes with, MailingBoss. You know what I'm saying? So it comes with the MailingBoss, and then the $97 plan. It got the MailingBoss. It got everything else, with it, with all the funnels and everything like that. But if you just got the plan where you just got your own website and you just gonna deal with one website, one domain name, $17 a month, and you get to get Builder along with it. But let's tap in. Let me just show you how easy it is just to go in there and create it. Right? Let's just tap in. Boom. Let's get up in here. So you go up here to tools real quick. Then you go essentials. Then you go to MailingBoss. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. MailingBoss. You know what I'm saying? And it got a whole breakdown. You go email activity, subscriber list. If you got a bunch of lists, you can create a subscriber list, just, real easy. You know what I'm saying? Click here, and now, boom, you can create you a list. You can have a double opt-in. You know what I mean? You click on that. You have a single opt-in or double opt-in. I always go with double opt-in. You have a description of your list and everything like that, right? And then let's go back one time. And then you create an email. Now you create an email. Look, right here, right from the main dashboard. Create an email. You can name it. Let's name it. What we got up here? We're going to name it test. We're going to name it test, right? And then you can choose whether you're going to just send a regular broadcast, which is this email is designed to send one or more lists that all subscribers receive on the same day and at the same time. It is typically used for time-sensitive announcements, offers, and events. And you got the sequence. This email is connected to the list and is designed to be part of a group of emails that are automatically sent to subscribers on that list based on the date and time they join. This is used as a way to automate a sequence or series of emails to go out to subscribers and can contain offers, valuable content, or information about your business, product, and services. And then you have a campaign. This is a single email that is not connected to a list or a sequence that you can use to add to a workflow to send based on certain actions, such as opening a different email, clicking a link in a different email, receiving a specific tag, opening a web page, clicking a button on a web page, and much more, right? So we're going to do regular. You hit test. We did test. We're going to go with regular. And then we don't have a sequence set up, but you got a list. Let's go with test again. And then you can add more lists, right? You can add more lists. And then you go here, and then you got a test campaign right there. And then you go to save. Now, when you save it now, you're going to come here. You put your name up here. It'll have your primary email, you know what I'm saying, right here. Like I got another website of Greener Things. But you can use their email. And then you got your subscription, your subject. You put test again. And then you can put your pre-heading go right here. And then now you come down here and you can create your email. You got different tools on the side where you can grab a heading, you can get an image, you can add buttons. Let me see. You can add a button down here. Then now you can create an image. You can grab an image of one of your products or something that can go right there. And then you can have, two text blocks, the row. Well, you got two in a row, boom. You know what I'm saying? So you can drag and drop and create your email the way you want to create it, right? You know what I mean? Boom. Now you can have that with a picture. You got a description. You know what I'm saying? Price or whatever the button to go buy. You can do all of that. Then you can actually load a template if you wanted to. You can load a template if you had a template in your archive in the zip drive, and then you can select the template, right? So now you can go in here and just grab you a template that have everything. Let's see. Let's go with product and articles. Boom. Oh no. Click on it. Import it over. Now it's imported over. And guess what? You add your company name up here, products and everything. Here go article about the product right here. More information. They want to get more information. So, you got templates and everything, and then you can add to the template with all the different tools that we have. We got a timer that, if you have something that's time sensitive, we can add a timer. This sale only gonna last for 9 more minutes. You know what I'm saying? And you can switch and change the timer around. So we'll just close it out. We ain't gonna say no. We're just gonna close it out. And then you go back to the dashboard. And then, like right here, if you go to emails now, you can start off at a template, right? And you just I got templates already in here, but you can create a template. And then again, here you go. We can try the newsletter. Here go a newsletter template. And then you can just go in here and just create everything that you need. Then in order to create it, you gotta, import it in for you to actually create on the template, right? To create your own email. Yep, there we go. So there go the template in there. Like I said, you can drag and drop, grab links, buttons, whatever you need to make the email to your liking. Let me see what else we got. We got workflows. You can create a workflow. You know what I'm saying? Right in here. And then you can have a prize draw. Like, it's just so many different things that you can do. You know what I mean? To where you can, create a prize draw, and then you create a whole list and what you're giving away. And then the people that's on the email list, it'll go through it and then give them and say they're a winner. Like if you're trying to sell something, or give away something, it'll automatically do it for you, right? So that's just a couple of different features. As you can see, it's more features. You got integrations, what I'm saying, for webhooks, tracking scripts, right? You know what I'm saying? And then here go all the emails, the templates, the email sequence if you created one or what have you. And this is all your lists right here, your email list. If you have multiple lists like you see here, multiple lists. So that's just a quick rundown on Build-A-Raw MailingBoss. You know what I'm saying? It's a powerful tool within Build-A-Raw. You don't have to go outside of Build-A-Raw to get the email marketing, software. It's all in one place. And we're gonna continue to do videos and we're gonna show you all the different tools, how the easier way to use the tools. We're gonna have tips and tricks and everything like that, right? So we're gonna go over all these tools so you can see, and do a short video so you actually see the tools within inside of Builderall itself, and how easy it is to function, right? So listen, if you like this content, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Download. We're gonna have a link down there so you can click on. You get a 14 days free trial. 14-day free trial is what you get to try Builderall out. What else do you get? Yeah, the 14-day free trial, and then also, if you have any questions, always comment below. Any question about Builderall, comment below. And when I say any question, it doesn't matter. Comment below. Like, share again, and subscribe to the page. Like, share, subscribe. And if you need help with building out a funnel, building out, your campaign for MailingBoss, for your email campaign, listen, reach out for skillful solutions. Skillful solution. The link will be down below. Click that link, you know what I mean, and fill out the form. And one of my team members will get back with you, and we help you create a masterpiece for you within Builderall. This your boy RV, Skillful Solutions. I'm out. Peace.